Let me show you how to use a flatbed knitting machine. There is three parts to it. There's the metal bed itself with all the needles on it, and then there's the carriage, which you pull across the machine, and there's the tension mast, which you thread the yarn into. So the first thing you need to do is thread the yarn into the tension mast, and then you need to do a cast on onto the needles on the bed. I'm doing what's called an E-wrap cast on here because you twist the yarn around the needles like a lowercase letter E. Then you put the yarn into the feeder on the carriage and set the tension on your machine. Usually somewhere around 7 is good. And if you've done everything correctly, you should be able to pull the carriage across the needles on the bed and it should just start knitting. Once you've got enough rows of knitting, you'll want to add some claw weights onto your work. These are surprisingly important. It can cause all sorts of problems if your fabric isn't weighted correctly. Once you've got your weights on, you can just continue to pull the carriage across the bed and it'll create a piece of knitting like so. So here is the piece that I've just made. It's just a piece of plain stockinette, and yeah. So that's how you use a flatbed knitting machine.